Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best GoPro 8 waterproof case is probably one of the most essential accessories for any action camera enthusiast looking to capture stunning underwater footage or protect their device from the elements, ensuring that your adventures, whether diving in crystal clear waters or navigating through rugged terrains, are documented without compromise. And this particular case stands out for its robust construction and crystal clear lens, promising unparalleled clarity and durability for all your extreme sports and travel vlogs. Number 5. TELESIN Universal Underwater Phone Case. Capture stunning underwater photos and videos with this universal phone case. It's designed for snorkeling and diving, offering a secure and waterproof solution for your smartphone. Easily operate your phone underwater using the integrated Bluetooth shooting control. 5 mechanical buttons allow you to take photos, zoom, and switch cameras with just your index finger. This case fits most smartphones, including a wide range of iPhones and Samsung Galaxy models. Its adjustable design accommodates phones from 5.4 to 6.9 inches. Featuring a premium glass lens with high visible light transmittance, it ensures true-to-life colors. The durable construction is built to withstand underwater conditions. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip inspired by professional cameras. The one-piece design includes a vacuum pump to prevent fogging and ensure a reliable seal. After saltwater use, simply rinse it with fresh water and dry thoroughly. This simple maintenance ensures it's ready for your next underwater adventure. What we like. If you're looking to shoot underwater photos and videos with your smartphone, this is a great option. It offers Bluetooth control for easy shooting and a vacuum seal to prevent fogging. If you want to capture clear underwater footage without buying a dedicated camera, consider this. What people say. The case is very easy to install and remove, and it fits the GoPro 8 perfectly. The buttons on the case are well placed and easy to press, even with gloves on. The case provides excellent protection for the GoPro 8, both in and out of the water. Number 4. TELESIN Action Camera Carrying Case. Introducing the TELESIN carrying case, designed to protect all your action cameras. It offers ample space for your camera and all its essential accessories. This case stands out with its unique rhombus pattern and elegant design. The soft velvet interior not only looks great but also provides a gentle cushion for your gear. Tailor the interior to your specific needs with the adjustable DIY dividers. Easily arrange your cameras and accessories of various sizes for optimal organization. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, fitting perfectly into backpacks or carry-on luggage. Keep your equipment secure whether you're on the go or at home. Crafted with a waterproof PU surface, this case shields your valuable equipment from moisture and dampness. The multi-layer interior and elastic mesh pocket ensure everything stays safe and organized. What we like. For those who travel with multiple action cameras and accessories, this is an excellent choice. Its DIY dividers allow for customizable storage, and the waterproof PU surface protects your gear. If you need a durable and organized way to transport your cameras and accessories, this case is ideal. What people say. The case is very durable and has protected my GoPro Hero 8 during several dives. It fits the GoPro Hero 8 perfectly, and all buttons are easily accessible. The lens clarity is excellent, providing clear footage even underwater. Number 3. MiPremium Waterproof Housing Case for GoPro Hero 8 Black. Introducing the MiPremium Waterproof Housing Case, specifically designed for your GoPro Hero 8 Black. Its highly durable and sturdy construction safeguards your camera from impacts, drops, and scratches, ensuring it stays protected during all your adventures. Explore the underwater world like never before. This case offers reliable waterproofing up to 60 meters, 196 feet, thanks to its secure sealing ring and tight buckle. Capture vivid and clear footage of your aquatic activities without any worries. Designed for convenience, installation and removal are a breeze. You can place your camera inside without removing the lens cover. Its transparent rear cover ensures excellent shooting capabilities underwater while providing robust protection. Say goodbye to rusted screws. This housing comes with a 100% anti-rust aluminum thumbscrew and a quick-release buckle, perfect for use in saltwater environments. Easily attach your camera to various mounts for versatile shooting options. The pack includes everything you need: the waterproof housing case, an anti-rust aluminum thumbscrew, and a quick-release buckle. Get ready to capture all your extreme sports moments, both above and below the water. What we like. If you're a serious diver or water sports enthusiast looking for robust protection for your GoPro Hero 8 Black, this case is a solid pick. It offers a deep 60-meter waterproof rating and includes an anti-rust aluminum screw for saltwater use. If you prioritize durability and deep water capabilities for your Hero 8, this is the one to get. What people say. The case fits the GoPro 8 perfectly and provides excellent protection. It allows full access to all buttons and the touchscreen. The waterproof seal is secure and reliable, even in deep water. Number 2. TELESIN waterproof case for GoPro Hero 13 12 11 10 9 Black. Introducing the TELESIN waterproof case, expertly designed for your GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9 Black. It offers perfect fit and a tight seal for unparalleled protection during all your extreme adventures. Explore the depths with confidence. This case provides reliable waterproofing up to 60 meters, 196 feet, thanks to its upgraded sealing ring and secure buckle, preventing any leaks. Enhance your underwater footage with the included 3-pack of dive filters, red, light, and magenta. These are perfect for color correction in waters from 5 to 25 meters deep. Capture stunning visuals with its ultra-thick tempered glass lens, ensuring high light transmittance for clear and vivid videos. The robust PMMA plastic body protects your camera from impacts and scratches. Effortlessly attach your camera to other gear. The included quick-release buckle mount and screw make it simple to connect to tripods, backpack mounts, and more. This case is built for your active lifestyle, providing essential protection for surfing, snorkeling, and deep diving activities, ensuring your camera stays safe and functional. What we like. This option is perfect for GoPro users who want to enhance their underwater footage with color correction. The included red, magenta, and light filters are designed for specific water depths, and the case itself offers a 60-meter waterproof rating. If you're into underwater photography and want to achieve professional-looking colors, this kit is a must-have. What people say. The case is very clear and does not distort the image. It fits the GoPro 8 perfectly and is easy to put on and take off. The buttons on the case are responsive and easy to press, even with gloves on. Number 1. TELESIN diving goggles for action cameras. Explore the underwater world like never before with our premium diving goggles. Designed for ultimate clarity and comfort, they are your perfect companion for any aquatic exploration. These goggles offer exceptional compatibility with a wide range of action cameras, including popular models from GoPro, Insta360, and DJI. Capture every moment effortlessly, no matter your camera choice. Experience unparalleled waterproof performance thanks to its innovative design. Enjoy the freedom of diving without any restrictions, immersing yourself fully in the experience. Crafted from impact-resistant tempered glass and ultra-soft silicone, these goggles provide outstanding protection against pressure and water resistance. They are built to last and ensure maximum comfort during extended use. Featuring a tempered glass lens with anti-fog treatment, you'll enjoy crystal-clear vision beneath the waves. Even if fogging occurs, a simple solution or our support will ensure your view remains unobstructed. Equipped with a detachable mount, easily attach your action camera for breathtaking underwater photography. When not filming, they function perfectly as regular diving goggles. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile way to capture underwater footage with your action camera, these goggles are a unique solution. They offer a detachable mount for your camera and provide clear, anti-fog vision. If you enjoy snorkeling or free diving and want an integrated way to record your experiences, these goggles are a great choice. What people say. The case is a perfect fit for the GoPro 8, providing excellent protection. It maintains full access to all buttons and the touchscreen, which is very convenient. The lens clarity is great, ensuring clear footage even underwater. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.